Hello, kids, welcome to the Kids Kingdom.
Hi, kids! Are you ready for an exciting adventure with shapes? Let's join our friend, Sophie, as we explore the magical world of shapes together. Look, here comes Sophie now. She's so excited to meet you and show you all the amazing shapes we can find. Let's go!
Hi, everyone. I'm Sophie, and today we're going to learn all about shapes. Let's get started. Wow, look at all these shapes. Let's see which ones we can find. Oh, look, here's our first shape. This is a circle. Can you say circle? Great job. A circle is round and has no corners. Let's see what we can find that's shaped like a circle. Look, the sun, the earth, and the clock are all circles. How fun! Now, we have a square. Can you say square? Awesome! A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Let's find some squares. The chalkboard, the window, and the book are all squares. Squares are everywhere. Next up is a triangle. Can you say triangle? Super! A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's spot some triangles. Yum! The pizza slice, the road sign, and the party hat are all triangles. Triangles are tasty and fun. Here's a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Fantastic! A rectangle has 4 sides, but the opposite sides are equal. Let's find some rectangles. The TV, the door, and the bookcase are all rectangles. Rectangles are so useful. And last but not least, we have a star. Can you say star? Amazing! A star has 5 points. Let's find some stars. The stars in the sky, the Christmas tree topper, and the starfish are all stars. Stars are magical. Wow, we found so many shapes today. Circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, and stars. You did an amazing job, kids. Remember, shapes are all around us. Keep exploring and have fun finding them.
Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures with Sophie. See you next time. Bye-bye.